Alright, so this is going to be a pre-purchase inspection. We're going to push the camera forward. We got some spider webs in here, so the sewer line's been sitting idle for a little bit, and we are currently at just passing the base of the main line. There goes a clean out of the house, another tie-in. We have to try to drive through that. I don't know if we're going to be able to get that turn.
No. Just hold on, it will.
Alright, so we went ahead and got through that turn. Looks like they replaced the sewer line from the house to the street with PVC. This all looks to be in good condition. Looks like it makes another 45, possibly. A little tough to push. I don't think we're going to be able to push that. We're going to go ahead and pull back and then check the other parts of the line of this house out. So we got cast iron underneath the house, PVC from the outside the house to the street. Currently in PVC. Back to cast iron. Cast iron so far looks to be in good shape, nice and round. Don't see any breaks, don't see any terrible scaling here. Okay, so the kitchen line is definitely super scaly. I can't even get through it. We're gonna go ahead and pull back from this point since we can't really inspect this line. I would get this part hydrojetted for sure. Alright, so this is going to be the laundry line. Looks a little scaly. We could benefit from hydrojetting here. We got a little piece of lead, get a ton of scale. Since this house does have a clean out, hopefully we can run into where it exits the house. I'll locate that. Oh yeah, this is a bunch of scale. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull back and then go back to the main 4-inch stack and try to locate a clean out.